Hi, this is Sean from Martell's Coins, and today we're going to be talking about a few coins that I got recently graded, and I'm most excited about is a 37D three-legged buffalo, so hopefully we get a really good grade on that. So we recently got a few coins graded on the standard grading. It took a little bit longer to get them back. PCGS has been a little bit slow lately compared to NGC, who has been very fast. We get a couple semi-keyed silver dollars, peace dollars, more specifically, that we got graded. And also we got 37D that I'm three-legged buffalo that I'm so excited about to see what kind of grade we get, because I bought it raw and I knew it was a really nice coin, so hopefully we get a really good grade on that. Got the close-up view camera so you can really see what the coins look like up front. First coin we got is a 1924 S piece dollar. Wasn't sure if this was going to grade out or not. There's a few scratches on the face, but I knew it was uncirculated coin. Really nice coin. Reverse. Absolutely gem. And the problem right there is the gouge. And I wasn't sure they're going to grade the coin out or is going to come back details. But very, very nice, amazing mint luster to the coin. And on this coin, we got unk detail scratch. So unfortunately, it didn't straight grade. But it's a really nice 24S piece to offer somebody to put in possibly their dance school album. The only thing that hurts it is a scratch on top. But really nice mint luster coin. Next we have a 1928 piece dollar. Nice uncirculated coin. Wasn't sure this will come back cleaned or not. It's got a little evidence of cleaning, but still got nice luster to it. Back is, again, really amazing on this coin. But I was afraid because the front's kind of, obverse is kind of iffy with the cleaning. If you can see sideways, you can see slight shine to it, and that usually is from old cleaning. But the back, again, is very nice. This one came back unk detail cleaned. And like I said, it's from the front of it being cleaned. But again, a nice coin for somebody's dance school album that doesn't want to pay the full price of, for say, a 62 or 63. Alright, last coin that I'm very, very excited about is the 37D three-legged buffalo. I don't know if you remember our past videos. I showed it in the video of it being raw. It's got a really nice original luster to the coin. Really nice detail still to it, as you can see. And we got a MS62. Very nice coin. Very, very happy and excited about this one. I've owned 37D three-legged buffaloes before, but never an unk grade like this. So it's very, very exciting that it came out in this grade. So this probably next step is send it to CAC, because having a CAC sticker is a big difference price-wise. So I'm going to send it to CAC and see what they think. And hopefully we get a green bean CAC on it. Well, that's it for this order. It's only a 3-coin order. I'm very, very excited about the 37D. I hope you enjoyed this video, and always like and subscribe to see our future coin videos or even card videos. Thank you for joining us.